We are still animals. We belong to the animal kingdom, specifically to the class Mammalia. This means we share characteristics with other mammals like dogs, whales, and monkeys. We are warm-blooded, have hair or fur, give birth to live young, and nurse our offspring with milk. Within the mammals, we belong to the order Primates. This group includes monkeys, apes, and lemurs. Primates share features like flexible hands and feet, forward-facing eyes, and relatively large brains. These traits help us navigate our surroundings and solve problems. Among primates, humans are part of the hominid family, which includes our closest living relatives, chimpanzees, gorillas, and orangutans. Hominids are distinguished by their lack of tails and their more complex social behavior. Finally, humans belong to the genus Homo and the species Homo sapiens. We are the only surviving members of our genus, making us a unique branch on the tree of life. What are humans made of? The same stuff as other living things. We are primarily made of water, which makes up about 60% of our body weight. Water is essential for life. It acts as a solvent, transporting nutrients and removing waste products. Besides water, our bodies are made up of organic molecules. Proteins are the building blocks of our cells and tissues. They play a role in almost every biological process, from muscle contraction to digestion. Lipids or fats store energy and provide insulation. They also form the structural components of our cell membranes. Nucleic acids like DNA and RNA carry our genetic information. They determine our traits and pass them down to our offspring. These basic ingredients, combined in precise ratios and arrangements, create the complexity of the human body. One of the most obvious things that set humans apart is our upright posture. Unlike most mammals, we walk on two legs. This is called bipedalism. Bipedalism freed our hands to use tools, carry objects, and interact with our environment in sophisticated ways. Another defining feature is our large brain size relative to our body size. The human brain is responsible for our advanced cognitive abilities, including language, reasoning, and problem solving. Our brains allow us to think abstractly, create art, and develop complex technology. No other animal on Earth can match the cognitive prowess of humans. Section 4, a symphony of systems. The human body is a complex and interconnected system of systems. Each system performs a specialized function, but they all work together to maintain homeostasis or a stable internal environment. The integumentary system, which includes our skin, hair, and nails, protects our internal organs from damage and regulates body temperature. The musculoskeletal system provides support, structure, and allows us to move. Our bones act as a framework, and our muscles contract and relax to move our limbs. The respiratory system takes in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, providing our cells with the energy they need to function. Section 5, the nervous system command center. The circulatory system pumps blood throughout our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our cells and removing waste products. The digestive system breaks down food into smaller molecules that our bodies can absorb and use for energy and growth. The excretory system removes waste products from our blood and regulates our fluid balance. The endocrine system produces hormones, which act as chemical messengers, regulating various bodily functions. The reproductive system is responsible for sexual reproduction and the continuation of our species. Section 6, life cycles and legacies. The nervous system is the control center of the human body. It consists of the brain, spinal cord, and a vast network of nerves that extend throughout the body. The nervous system receives information from our senses, processes this information, and sends out signals to our muscles and organs, allowing us to respond to our environment. Our nervous system is responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. It is what makes us conscious and aware. Section 7, the Pinnacle of Evolution. Humans are unique among animals in many ways. We have an upright posture, large brains, and complex social structures. Our bodies are incredibly complex, with multiple systems working together to maintain homeostasis. But perhaps our most defining characteristic is our capacity for language, culture, and technology. We are the only species that has developed complex language systems, allowing us to communicate abstract ideas and pass down knowledge through generations. We create art, music, and literature, expressing our creativity and emotions in ways that no other animal can. Are humans the pinnacle